What is happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone out there is doing good. You hear me? Hope everyone out there had a good Christmas or holiday, whatever you celebrated. If you didn't, and you're like me, just know that it only happens once a year, so it's over. It's done. You're only going to overcook that lamb once. At least that's what I did. So I just wanted to make sure I had enough fabric to do this, because I have cut off chunks of this fabric a few times to make bicycle seats and stuff like that, just to try to, saying flex on people on my bicycle or my moped. Got the Burberry on the moped, the Honda motor, and I'm pretty stoked the way it looks just right out the gate. I do have enough fabric, so that's gonna check off that box. And since I have enough fabric, I'm gonna do something that I haven't done before, only because I'm using this different product that I haven't used before. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off a little section here, probably like, I don't know, about the width of just one foot of this headliner here. And I'm gonna just do a test run with it tonight, because I need to go to Harbor Freight and pick up some new gloves, because I want to be able to take the gloves off if I get too much tacky stuff on my hands. That way I can just kind of ensure that this will go on without any stains out the gate. So let's get that done. And now we can set this material away for when we actually go to put it on the headliner. And you see I still have like a good solid like 3 or 4 feet of extra material, so that's good. So now we got our little test piece right here. Good couple inches thick. I just want to kind of see where I can line up, see if I can get this black line here and this black line here to be somewhat symmetrical.
So this is where I began to mess up. I really should have just stuck with my initial idea of just laying the Burberry fabric over this material, because I was concerned about the well-being of the pleather on the other side of this fabric here. And you can see there it's starting to peel up off of the headliner itself, right there in the corner. So I'm holding it down. But yeah, I should have just left that headliner on there and then just basically covered it up with another layer of fabric.
Alright, so I got the old headliner off without too much ripping. I had a couple spots underneath the dome light area. The little foam from the underside ripped off a little bit, but I can maybe replace that, or it probably won't matter. But you can see that this 3M stuff here has just left a ton of residual material on the pleather for the headliner. Alright, so my camera kept messing up when I did the reveal, but this stuff does not stick. I'm going to go ahead and lay down an even thicker layer of this stuff, and hopefully that works out. You can see that stain right there. It's where a glob of that overspray was. You can feel it through the material. We'll see if it dries clear like it says. I doubt it will dry clear and not stain. Alright, let's give this another 15 minutes. don't know how I like this stuff. I'm wondering if the old glue is making it harder for it to stick, or if I don't know. I kind of feel like I should just go get the 3M stuff, return this if possible, you know, just say it doesn't work as advertised or something, and hopefully that works out. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna use this stuff to apply. I'm not gonna risk it, I don't think. It was definitely a little harder to peel off than the other time, now that I applied the thicker layer, but yeah, I think I'm gonna stick to what I know works, and I'll probably just end up doing this tomorrow. What is happening, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone out there is doing good. I hope you had a good happy new year. Just want to start off with saying I think I got COVID. A family member tested like faintly positive on the little take it home test that we had, and we don't have any more tests, and I don't have insurance and doctor stuff, so I'm just gonna assume I got it and just kind of like try and do my part to not spread it. That being said, rest in peace to Ken Block. That is a huge loss to the car community. Usually these things don't really like hit me at all, but like, I don't know, man, just seeing like all the stuff that he was doing with his daughter, and just knowing like that spark is like lost with like his family forever now. It's kind of like, you know, a little who's cutting the onions, you know. It's kind of sad, man. So very tragic loss indeed. But anyways, yeah, hopefully tomorrow, after I go to this stupid class I gotta go to, I can go get me the 3M adhesive stuff, swap this out for some store credit hopefully, and get back to work on doing this headliner. And yeah, I just want to do a quick video update, let you guys know what's going on, and I hope everyone out there is doing good and staying away from this COVID and all these people that don't know how to drive and all that stuff. It's pretty bad. The weather's been really bad out here, but I like it. I like the weather. But yeah, so enjoy the little video.